Hi guys, Stephen here from INEXTERIORS Painters and Decorators, and you're watching INEXTERIORS TV. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to distress wood using the paint and scrape technique. I mean, believe me, this is really easy and really effective. Let's get into this, guys. Right, material wise, what we need is some primer undercoat, and that's because we've got bare wood here. Some water-based black undercoat, and we've got some water-based satin brilliant white, and we've got some flexible filling knife tools and a couple of paint brushes, a bit of kitchen roll or rag, and some fine 180 grit sandpaper. Right. Let's get it primed. So this is bare wood, so I'm making sure we prime it first. If the wood's already painted, you won't need to prime it. You can just put the black undercoat on. Right, let's leave that to dry. With it being water based, it should only be about 2 hours. Now we're giving it the first coat of black undercoat. I've chose to use black undercoat as the base coat because that's what I had. You can also use water-based satin or water-based gloss as well as the base coat, as long as you primed it. You can use oil-based products as well, but you just have to wait a lot longer in between coats for them to dry. You can also use emulsion paints as well. Even though they won't be as durable, you can varnish over them when you finish the project to give them a bit more durability. After leaving it for a couple of hours, we're ready to give it its second coat of black. The good thing about the water-based products is that they dry a lot quicker than the oil-based products, and nowadays they're as durable as well. They're really good. And I especially like this Johnson's Aqua system. I'm a big fan of that. But now that's had its primer and its 2 coats of base coat, it's ready for doing the scraping technique on. So we'll just leave this for a couple of hours and then we'll come back and see to it. Put a little bit of white paint on your brush and really work it out, painting a section at a time. Then get your scraper and just scrape all the way down it to achieve that distress look. It really is easy. Then do the same to the next section. And then get your scraper and scrape over it, cleaning the paint off each time. And then to finish off, go over it in one go. Here's a breakfast bar that we recently used the paint and scrape technique on, and we also put 2 coats of clear varnish on top just to give it some added protection. And that, guys, is how you distress wood using the paint and scrape technique. If you've got anything from this video, please like, please share, please smash that notification bell, and please subscribe. And please leave a comment down below. We look forward to hearing from you. Thank you very much, guys.